How to upload videos on CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide through the steps on how you can upload video on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through this video. Now, first things first, you can go ahead and open up your CapCut, right? Now here you can see I've uploaded the file here. Now how you can do so? Well, if you are already onto the editing mode, all you gotta do is you'll see the media option. You're gonna tap on media option, then you'll find this import icon here, and beside it you can see the import icon again. You wanna tap on this import option, and now you can select the particular video or file or picture that you would like to upload. So I'll tap on open, and now you can see it is loaded up. However, after loading up, you wanna simply tap on it, click on it, and drag it here onto your timeline in order to use it. So you can see it. This is how you can easily upload a particular file. If you want to upload or download this or export this, then you can see the export option at the top of your screen. You'll find the export icon. You can go ahead and export it. So this is how you can upload the video or file onto CapCut PC. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.